Hi everyone, this is Mahati Priya. I study in St. Anthony's High School in 10th standard. My teachers are Shankar sir and Suresh sir. Now I am going to explain about derivation of trigonometric ratios at angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. First, I have taken an equilateral triangle. As we all know, all sides of an equilateral triangle are equal to each other. So AB is equal to A, BC equal to A and AC is equal to A. As we all know, angles of an equilateral triangle are equal to 60 degrees. So angle ABC are equal to 60 degrees. Now I have drawn a median from A to the base BC. So here the median AD divides BC into two equal halves. So we get BD and DC equal to A by 2. And this also divides angle BAC into two equal halves. So angle BAD is equal to 30 degrees and angle DAC is equal to 30 degrees. Now let's find out the value of AD. If we see clearly, we can observe that ABD is a right angle triangle. So through Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse that is A square is equal to base that is A by 2 whole square plus AD whole square. So we get AD is equal to under root A square minus A by 2 whole square, which is equal to A root 3 by 2. So we get A root 3 by 2 is the value of AD. Now let's find out sine 30. Let's take angle BAD is equal to theta. So here sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So A by 2 by hypotenuse is A. So we get 1 by 2 cos 30. Cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. For this adjacent is A root 3 by 2. So A root 3 by 2 by A. So we get root 3 by 2. Tan is equal to sine by cos. So 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and we get 1 by root 3. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. So 2 by 1. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. So 2 by root 3. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. So root 3 by 1. Now let's go with 60 degrees. Let's take angle B is equal to 60 degrees. Theta. Now here sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So A root 3 by 2 by A. Here we get root 3 by 2. Cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent is A by 2 by hypotenuse is A. So we get 1 by 2. Tan is equal to sine by cos. So root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. So we get root 3 by 1. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. So 2 by root 3. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. So 2 by 1. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. So 1 by root 3. Now let's go with 45. Here this is an isosceles right angle triangle where AB is equal to BC and angle A is equal to angle C, that is 45 degree. Now let's find the angle. Now let's find the side AC. As we know, this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square, that is AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is A square plus A square. So AC is equal to under root 2A square, which is equal to A root 2. So A root 2 is the value of side AC. Now let's find sine 45 value. Sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Now let's take theta is equal to C. For theta is equal to C, opposite is A and hypotenuse is A root 2. So A by A root 2. So 1 by root 2. Now cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is A by A root 2. So we get 1 by root 2. Tan is equal to sine by cos. So here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Both are equal. So we get cancelled and we get 1. Cosecant is equal to 1 by sine. So root 2 by 1. Secant is equal to cos. 1 by cos, that is root 2 by 1. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. So we get 1. So friends, this is derivation of trigonometric ratios at angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. I thank Barossa Awards for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.